Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Flex app showing an update required screen, but when you tap it, the update takes you to the App Store and says something went wrong? Here's how to break out of that loop. This happens when App Store itself has a stale key and isn't finding the update correctly, even though one genuinely exists. First, go ahead to your App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Then, pull down on the screen to force a full refresh of available updates. Look for Flex in the list and tap update directly from there rather than going through the prompt in the app itself. If it still shows something went wrong, go to your settings app, then go back and tap on your Apple ID at the very top of the screen. Scroll down and then tap sign out, then immediately sign back in with your Apple ID. This resets the App Store connection and almost always breaks the loop. After signing back in, return to the App Store, search for Flex, and then tap the update button next to the app there. So, all you've gotta do is pull to refresh in the App Store profile, sign out and back in into your Apple ID, then update Flex directly from the App Store each. The loop will break and that's it. Subscribe.